Differentiate the following with respect to x. We have y equals x to the minus 3 over 2. The solving of this will involve the use of the power rule, which I've discussed in earlier videos, so I'll just put it here for you to have a look at. Writing out y equals x to the power minus 3 over 2, I'll write dy dx equals, and I'll bring down the minus 3 over the 2, and then I'll use that to multiply the x, and from the minus 3 over 2 I'll subtract the 1, and I'll surround that by brackets so it is clear. I will continue by writing dy dx equals minus 3 over 2 x to the minus 2.5. Now this is minus 2.5 because this calculation here, the minus 3 over the 2 minus 1, is minus 2.5. Of course, I can go on to say that this is minus 3 over 2 x to the minus 5 over 2, because minus 3 over 2 minus 1 can be expressed as minus 5 over 2. And of course, minus 5 over 2 is minus 2.5. So we can say for y equals x to the minus 3 over 2 dy dx equals minus 3 over 2 x to the minus 5 over 2.